Sound check 1, 2, 3. Tersilap Are you supposed to be here? Are you supposed to be on stage next week?
Kita bersama barang-barang kita kakak-kakaknya lah untuk pakai baju lah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you for joining me for the sound check.
InsyaAllah. It's whatever it is, just enjoy. Enjoy as if it's your last show. Every week, bang. Win or lose, it's besides the point. The point is, all of you guys are all champions. So, the best among the best, Alhamdulillah. Okay?
Are you now entertained? Everything is entertainment.
Ya, betul. So, ikhlas, jujur, perform. Whatever the, apa nama?
Outcome is?
The outcome is, syukur, lapang dada. Okay?
InsyaAllah. Thank you.
Oh, so this one I don't know when. Coming soon? Don't know eh. If you don't want, I can take over your place. Kak.
Very scary.
What do you mean by very scary, ah? Didn't I give birth to you?
Itu prinsipal kita. Itu prinsipal. Semua guru besar.
Principal. Listen to the principal, because the people that you have to trust in the comment is yes, the 3 people that stood in front here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these are the professionals who are judging you unbiasedly. The whole Malaya can judge you, but then again, these 3 people are yang we call professional.
InsyaAllah.
Okay.
Is it the best? This week?
They are the best, yes.
This week with the rock number.
Right.
Out of the comfort zone.
Yeah.
Try lah.
InsyaAllah. Macam mi cakap, perform as if it's your last show, because it could be your last show, you never know. But at least you akan rasa puas hati sebab you given the best.
There's no what ifs.
Yes. What if I've done this? What if I've done that? Jangan. Pasal dalam kita punya ini pun tak ada if kan. There's no if, right?
Yeah.
It's all written. Okay.